Hello. Yeah. Last time we ended on reading files in pandas. So today we are going to continue. So we read file from our desktop to to inside Jupyter, from desktop inside Jupyter by the use of pandas. So that's why we import pandas as PD. So we read now various files. So if you look at, we have read various files. We read various files. Are we there? So we are going now to continue. Yes. So today we are going to continue. Let us open a new file. P2 file. Into Python 3. Let's open a new file. Okay, we have opened a new file. So on a new file, the first thing we have to do, we have to import pandas as PD. Okay. We have import pandas as PD. So what is our objective today? We are going to work on pandas data verification. Pandas data verification. Are we there? Pandas data verification. Yes. So we are working on pandas data verification. Are we together? So pandas data verification, what are we going to do? We have to read the file that we wanted to do data verification on the file. So we say pd dot read. We want to read the file by use of pandas read csv. We want to read the csv file. Are we together? So now I need to go now on my desktop. Yes, on my desktop. Yes, so on my desktop, I have to go on my desktop. This is my desktop. Go to my desktop and copy the file that I want and copy the file as path. Are we together? So let me copy. Copy as path. I've copied the file as path, then I paste the file. So on this file, obviously shown that the file belongs in my drive C, user. On my desktop, the name of the file is Python 1 lectures. Are we there? Then the file name is FIFA ranking, and the file is CSV file. Are we together? So last time, as I informed you that if you run it this way, it is going to require an error. So you have to fit raw data arrow. Look at this, require an error. But if you fit arrow, read it as raw data arrow, right? Then you run it, you don't have any error. Are we together? So if you haven't watched the last video, please, you enable to do that before you come this way. Okay, now let us continue. So our objective is for us to do what? To read file verification. What are we going to do? Now we have pd.read csv file. Okay, now this is a file. Let's copy this and paste here. Okay, it's pd.read csv file. Okay, now let's use df as our data frame. Is equals to the whole of this one. df as data frame equals to pd.read. We will run it such that when we are calling, we'll call now by df. df will give us all this information. Okay, let's say df. So ds give us all this information. So at this point, df is stand for what? Our data frame. So when we want our data frame, we are not going to use now pd.read. We are going to use only df. It's going to give us our data frame. Okay, now let us continue. Okay, let us look for the data information. Okay, for us to look for data information, say df.info. df.info. Okay, now the issues are these are the Hello. So we ended at this point. Now, when I say copy path, look at, you need to come here, come on your desktop. All these, they are based on my desktop. Okay, you click on this. These are file. They are file. They are in CSV file. They are in Excel. They are in JSON file. Okay, you click on it. If I click on it, you go to copy as part. This copy as part. You click on it. Are we there? When you copy as part, then before you come and paste it, copy as part. Okay, if copy as part, let's copy this one. Copy as part. Then now you come and paste this way. Okay, yes, like for instance, okay, now we have this, because I had a lot of question yesterday with your friends about say why are we copying that thing? I'm not seeing. Say I'm not seeing. So I decided to come back and show you where you have to see those things. You copy it here. Copy as part. Are we there? Or if you want with this one, copy. Or this one, copy. Or this one, copy. So as part. Okay. When you copy as part, you just come and paste it here. You paste it, you see it this way. See it was CSV file, you see CSV. Are we there? Then now you run it as raw data. I'm insisting on this because when we go ahead, we'll not be able to come back. And if you don't know this section, you will not, you cannot go ahead. You run it. So you run it this way. Then now you call in a df. Okay. Yes. So when you have already written df equals to this, when you run it, it will not go on. So you must call df. Then before you see it. Okay. So we continue on the aspect. I say that we are working on the verification, data verification. Are we there? To verify our data. So we have looked forward, data info. We move forward, data head, df.head, df.head. You see on df.head, it has give us what? The first, as we have what from the first 5. Okay, the first 5, df.head, it gives us the first 5. Okay, the first 5 information. So this is ranking countries. Are we there? Countries abbreviation. So we have what now? Germany is number 1, Italy is number 2, we have Switzerland number 3, we have Sweden number 4, Argentina number 5. Are we there? Okay. Now that's df.head. Then also we have, okay, they use df.t. df.t give us what? The last 5 downward. So the last 5 downward, what is the last 5? It obviously shown that we have the files that so many, you have 57,788. So the last 5 downward is 57,792 files inside here. Are we together? So if we look at the point of df information about the file, we realize that on 0 RAM we have 50. This is number none. We have 57,793. Are we there? Then now it is an integer. Country, all they are of 59,000. So we have now, this is a total 57,792. Okay, now that is data info. What next again? They work on is also, if let's say we want df, df dot and with the head, then we fit 10 and with the obviously we have asked that we need what, the first 10. If we fit here 20, we run it. It's showing that you have asked the first 20 for your is df dot head. Then also on df dot t, you fit 10, shift enter. That's the last 10. You need the last 10. Then you ask him, DataFrame, give me the last 10. Say, DataFrame, I know that you can do it. Give me the last 10. You say, okay, there's no problem. That is my job. He's going to give you the last 10. Okay? Yes. So you don't need to bother yourself. Those things, they are just very easy. It matters better understanding. Okay, now let's say we have df dot iLook. Are we there? So as I said, df dot iLook. Are we there? iLook 10. Now on iLook 10, now we ask him now wanted to view our eyes on the rank number 10. Are we there? Country full name is England. These are the information in England. Okay, let's go back now on number 10. Number 10, this is England. Okay, that's right. We ask him now the information on England. These are the various information of in England. Are we there? So since the data now is a bit large, so we have to do what? Ask him for him to print us number 10 England. So that is why he has print us number 10 England, and the country abbreviation is EN, and the total point is 0.0. It is being ranked number 11. Let's check ranking of England. Okay, let's check. Okay, rank. Yeah, rank. Okay, England, this is the rank number 11. Are we there? England, this is rank number 11, because at the up you have rank. Okay, number 11 is okay. So now we have checked iLook, we have checked all the information in England. You have now the correlation in the year in average 0.0, correlation year average in the weight, average weight. Then we have configuration. You have now the rank date, the date. So these are the various information in England. So we have looked at England. Okay, we have come to the end of our program today. So to recap, we have done what from the beginning. We have fetched the various DF file, the file. The issue there is that you need to understand, you call pd.read. After pd.read, df, place df's data frame equals to pd.read. So data frame read me this, data frame read it. Data frame give me the information about this. Data frame give me the information. Data frame read this file again. After that, data frame read the head of the file, and data frame read the day. Okay, the head read the first 20. Data frame read the last 10.